No breakouts? No problem. Take two. The last time was Shadowfall. Today I'm going to let you choose your own adventure using 4x4, 5x5, or 10x10. Hey, I'm Michael Neer. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Look, I really can use your help. If you can subscribe to my channel down below now, it'll be awesome. And also, it's very exciting when you like these videos. So, choose your own adventure. When you don't have breakout rooms, what do? You can use a 4x4 or a 5x5 or even a 10x10. This way you engage the audience by asking them questions or comments or thoughts. They complete the thought. So you pose a question and you want some examples, they're down below. I've pasted some ideas about how you can do a 4x4 questions or 5x5 or 10x10, where you pose a question to the audience of the group. They don't have breakouts. They give the answer and they share on chat using Chatterfall. Don't remember what Chatterfall is? I recorded just last time. So I really like this idea of getting feedback from the audience using choose your own adventure and complete the sentence. If you want to see this work in practice, I am running with several partners, mini workshops, 2 hours, remote sessions, really reasonably priced. One of them is Procognita, the other one is Collaborative Leadership Team. Just join one of these sessions, you find the links down below, and you can see how practicing liberating structures with other folks in a group makes tons of sense. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you all next time. I'm Mike Neer. Thank you from here, Frigid, New Hampshire.